In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly, free grammar checker tool for small business. If you're a small business owner polishing proposals, emails, or web copy, this quick walkthrough will show you how to use Grammarly's free checker to clean up mistakes and strengthen your message. Let's start right in your browser. Open Google, then type Grammarly in the search bar. From the results, click the official Grammarly website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to upload a file. This lets you check a document without installing anything. Click Upload File, then choose your business proposal from your computer. Locate the correct file and select Open. Grammarly will import your document and begin scanning. Give it a moment. You'll see underlines appear where it finds potential issues. Before you start accepting suggestions, set your goals so Grammarly tailors its feedback to your needs. Choose the business domain to align recommendations with professional standards. For intent, pick Convince so the tool focuses on making your writing persuasive, perfect for proposals and client communications. For audience, select General, which keeps your tone accessible to a wide range of readers. Set the formality to Formal, then click Done. These choices guide the suggestions you'll see next. To elevate readability, click Increase Impact of your text. This surfaces clarity and conciseness opportunities that make your message sharper without changing your core meaning. Now, work through the suggestions on the right side. Start with correctness, grammar, spelling, punctuation, and basic word choice. Fixing these first ensures your writing is clean and credible. Then move to clarity and style suggestions, which help with sentence structure, passive voice, and wordiness. When you see an underlined word or phrase in your document, click it to open the suggestion card and accept the recommendation if it improves the sentence. If a suggestion doesn't fit your intent, you can ignore it, but keep your goals in mind as you decide. Continue this process for all underlined items until your document shows no remaining alerts or you're satisfied with the edits. When you're done, you have two easy options to get your polished content out. Copy and paste the corrected text back into your preferred editor, or download the updated file directly from Grammarly. Either way, consider saving a fresh version so you can track changes over time. And that's it. You've used Grammarly's free checker to clean, clarify, and strengthen a business proposal with goal-based settings that match professional writing. Use this same approach for your emails, pitch decks, and website copy to keep your brand polished and persuasive.